Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we will be working on Exp25 Access Chapter 3 Cumulative Brilton Madley Games 1.1. I will guide you step by step. You can easily understand the instructions and complete your assessment without any confusion. If you need any help with blackboards, engage my IT lab assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, hands-on exercises, midterm exam, final exam, or a complete course. You can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for accounting, finance, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, MS Access, mathematics, stats, economics, writing, computer science courses, programming languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Python, C++, Java, and more programming languages, and website development using different frameworks and CMS like WordPress, Webflow, Wix, Framer, and other frameworks and CMS. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A plus grades guaranteed. Now let's start the today assessment and go through it step by step. There are total 15 questions of this assessment. Let me zoom this for a proper view. Here is the title of assignment. Exp25 Access Chapter 3 Cumulative Brilton Madley Games 1.1. Here is a project description. As you can see that you can also read it out carefully for better understanding of this assignment project. Now we will move to the question number 1. Question number 1 is start access, open the downloaded access file named exp25 access chapter 3 cumulative Brilton Madley Games. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Basically, in this question, you will have to download this file exp25 access chapter 3 cumulative Brilton Madley Games from Pearson My IT Lab dashboard. I have already downloaded this file from Pearson My IT Lab dashboard. Here is the file I have already downloaded. Now we will move to the question number 2. Question number 2 is create a query using query design. From the customers table, include the fields first name, last name, and phone in that order. From the order table, include the fields order ID, order date, and ship date in that order. Run the query and then examine the record. Save the query as shipping efficiency. Basically, in this question, you will have to use the query design to create a query. First is create a query using the query design. First, you will click on the create button and the query design tab. Click on this query design, and from the customer table, include the field name, first name, last name, phone in that order. From the customer table, click on this, double click on this customer table to add this in the query section, and include the field first name, last name, and phone. First name and last name. Double click on this to add first name in the field first name, then the double click on this to last name, then double click on phone to add this phone into this field from the order table. And the second part is from the order table, include the field order ID, order date, and ship date in that order. There is a order table. Double click on this to add this table in the query design view. Include the field order ID, order date, and ship date. Order ID, double click on this to add order ID, order date, and ship date. Order date and ship date. This one, double click on this, and the shipped date. Double click on this to add these. And the last part is run the query and then examine the records. Save the query as shipping efficiency. Simply you will have to copy this query name, then run the query and then examine the record. First, then you will go to the query design tab, then go to the result section, click on the run button to run this query. As you can see that the query are now run successfully. And now save the query name as shipping efficiency. In the query 1, right click on this to save this, then paste the name shipping efficiency, then press OK. As you can see that the shipping efficiency query are now created. Question number 2 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 3. Question number 3 is add a calculated field name days to ship to calculate the number of days taken to fill each order. Basically in this question you will have to add a calculated field days to ship to calculate the number of days taken to fill each order. Create a new field, calculated field days to ship. The expression will include the order date and ship date field, and the result will not contain negative number. Use the arithmetic to calculate the days shipped by subtracting the order date from the ship date, then run the query and examine the result. Save the query, go to the file, and this one right click on this, then click on build section. Now you will have to write arithmetic expression, order date, ship date minus order date. Result will contain by subtracting the order date from the ship date. Order date minus ship date. Ship date, then close the bracket, then press OK button. And next part is run the query and then examine the results and save the query. Then you will go to the query design tab, then go to the result group, then click on the run button to run this query and save this query. Save this. Question number 3 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 4. Question number 4 is that add criteria to limit the query result to include any order that took more than 30 days to ship. Basically in this question you will have to add a criteria to look at the order that is more than the 30 days to ship. In the order, click on view button, then click on design button. In the criteria group, greater than 30. Question number 4 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 5. Question number 5 is add the quantity field from the orders table and the product name field from the products table to the query in that order. Sort the query by ascending the last name. Basically, in this question, you will have to add the quantity field from the order table and the product name field from the product table. Then run the query and sort the query by ascending last name. The first part is add the quantity field from the order table, and double click on this quantity to add quantity, and the product name field from the product table, this one, double click on this product table, product name field, double click on the product name field to add this, and sort the query by ascending last name. Then sort this query by ascending by last name. In this you will have to select the ascending. Question number 5 are completed. Now we'll move to the question number 6. Question number 6 is add the caption days to ship to the days to ship field. Switch the datasheet view to view the final results. Save and close the query. Basically, in this question, you will have to add the caption on the days to ship field. The caption are here, days to ship. The days to ship field. Click on this, then you will go to the query design tab, then click on property sheet. There is the caption option. You will have to add this days to ship, then save this, then go to the datasheet view. As you can see that the data are now showing. Then save and close the query. Right click on this, save this, and then close the query. Question number 6 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 7. Question number 7 is create a query using query design and add the customers, orders, and product tables. Add the country field from the customer table. Set the fields total row to group by. Save the query as revenue and cost by country. The first part is create a query using the query design and add the customers, orders, and product tables. Then click on the create tab, then click on query design. Add these tables, customer, order, and product. Customer, order, and product tables. Add these three tables. Then add the country field from the customer table. Add the country field from the customers table. Double click on this country field. Then set the fields total row to group by. Select this field, then click on, then you will go to the query design tab, then click on total group by. As you can see that group by are appear. Then save the query. As revenue and cost by country. Then save this query. Save this query. Name is revenue and cost by country. Click OK. Question number 7 are completed. We have now completed 7 questions of this assessment. If you need any help with the remaining questions or want me to handle your complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for all types of assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, hands-on exercises, midterm exam, final exam, or a complete course. I have successfully handled courses for the student from Canada, USA, and many other countries. If you need any help with this task, feel free to reach out me. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A+ grades guaranteed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.